we're here guys! Emirates Park Zoo. Let's go inside. So ayan, nag-print na kami dahil bumili kami sa grupo ng ticket.
Darling.
So ayan yung mga
Arabic na yun.
So ito daw yung entry ticket, ito daw yung activity ticket.
So tara na. Let's go sa Go Zoo entrance. Oh, ang ganda kasi open lang dito yung ano. Yung mga bibe. Bibe, hey!
Ay, lumalangon!
Walang tao kasi weekdays. May tortoise.
Kamag-anak ni Jeje.
Pagod yan.
Tinanong ko si Jeje kung ano yon. Ang sagot sa akin ni Jeje, kambing. Kambing na ang tawag niya ngayon sa isang beer.
Lapit lang, no? Greatest of all time. Goat. Yun yung ano, yung may tusok-tusok yata. Oh. Habibi! Hindi ko makita. Buti na lang kami ang may-ari. Walang tao.
Dito tayo ngayon sa Bird Park.
Bird Park. You're hungry? You're hungry?
Kuya na nga pala yan ni Jeje. Jeje!
Darling! Ayan na yung giraffe. Tama pakain lang. Hello darling, how are you? Darling! Darling, how are you?
Alright, we have two beautiful hippos here. Alright, he's already out. So
Oh, we can hear throw only?
yeah, just smile, then you throw inside in the mouth. Wonderful, good. Look at the way how he's gonna crush it.
Oh!
Yeah, that's how quick it is. He or she can crush your head within 1 minute. Yeah, they're very dangerous. So.
So, puntahan natin yung elephant show by elephant.
There's are female elephants. They are from Asia. They are Indian elephants. They are Asian elephants from India. Okay, that's how elephants do spray water. Like I say, if you sit on that.
So, ayan, pahinga muna. Pagod yarn. Ang over yarn. So, ayun guys, tapos na kami mag-ikot dito sa Emirates Park Zoo. And walang katao-tao kasi weekdays. So ayun, dito na nagtatapos ang aming Emirates Park Zoo.
All good.
So, thank you for watching!
Hey.